the club, I got that 5 when I'm performing. The back end just came in and all honest. Vibes galore, cute shit, they all on us. I'm from Atlanta where young niggas run shit. I know they hating on me.
Hey dolls, welcome back to the dollhouse. If you are new, hi, my name is Caitlin. Hi, nice to meet you. Don't forget to hit that red button down below and subscribe so you won't miss any of my videos. Like I said in my last video, if you are new, I did finally reach 5,000 subscribers, so yay once again. First, quick small business promo. The lashes that I'm wearing today are the K&K Meeks, and she was kind enough to send me over her Dreamy lashes. I think these are the Dreamy lashes, but I will leave all her information down in my description box. But she's local. I'm in New Bern and she is in Goldsboro, I think it said. But how cute is this? Matter of fact, yes, it is Dreamy. So these are the lashes. Very dramatic, very pretty. If you would like to send me items, just email me. My email will also be down in the description box, and we can talk business there. So today, this wig that I have on is from the Wig Boutique. Her packaging looks like this. It's very cute. I got the deep curly lace frontal wig in 20 inches, and in your package you get your wig, of course. You get a wig cap, which comes in the 2-pack, and you get this cute little bonnet. I've been wearing this bonnet every night since I installed this wig, and it just says the Wig Boutique Virgin Hair Extensions by Storm. So here she is, fresh out of the ponytail. Very big, very fluffy. The lace is transparent. I think I got a 13x6 frontal, but it comes with 2 combs on the side, 1 comb in the back with adjustable straps. I am feeling this lace. Like, do you guys see it? Like, seriously, like that lace. Okay, so yeah, so far so good. I've been getting so many compliments on this wig. No shedding, no tangling. As you guys know, curly wigs are kind of high maintenance, but as long as you have your spray bottle with your water and conditioner and you tie it down every night, you shouldn't have any matting or any tangling. So like I said, I received 20 inches. I'm going to go ahead and wet it for you so you guys can see how it looks wet. And yeah, that's basically it for this hair review. Everything is good so far. I will also update you guys on it later. But yeah, enough talking. Let's go ahead and get into wetting it.
Something could be going on. There ain't no other for me. It's only you. With what you're going through, I wanna be down. I wanna be down with you. Down with you. Oh yeah, I wanna be down. I know.
Like I said, no shedding, no tailing, and these curls are soft like butter, like literally so soft, like literally so soft and so fluffy. So this wig, the company, everything gets an A+ from me, because like, do y'all, like, I'm still stuck on the lace in my baby hair, but these curls did it. They did it. Do you hear me? So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Like I said, this is a lace frontal deep curly wig in 20 inches. And yeah, stay tuned for more videos. Thank you guys.